Hi, this is Emily with Richloam Life, and today we'll be unboxing a chip away diamond. In one box in every 24 has a real diamond, and if you don't get the diamond, you could get 6 different kinds of rocks. And it also comes with a magnifier, a hammer, and a chisel. This is the diamond that you chip away at. This is the magnifying glass, the hammer, and the chisel. So this is the diamond. It's very dusty. So you just use the chisel to chip away at it until you get to the center to find what you got. doing this here, I'm starting to see something coming out the sides. So I'm gonna start picking at this side. That's fast. Certificate of authenticity, genuine diamond. So I got the diamonds. The certificate of authenticity, it's a small piece of paper that just tells you how the diamond is the most treasured of all the gemstones, and it explains how it's made and what it is. If you like this, if you think that your child would like this, or you are a kid that would like this, you can purchase this at Richloam General Store, and you can also get a gold version of it too. Please like and subscribe to our channel and check out Richloam General Store.